Tesla dominating market sales of electric cars rise 119% in May. New positive figures in the Spanish automobile market confirm the positive trend, although the general data is still below pre-pandemic levels. While new car registrations in Spain have grown by 8.3% in May 2023, those of electrified vehicles have grown by 39.5%. Adding all kinds of plug-in hybrid and electric vehicles, 11,146 registrations have been registered, which represents 10% of the total in the fifth month of the year. New 43,633 vehicles have been registered if we look at the accumulated data for 2023, according to the Manufacturers Association ANFAC, and far, also, from the averages registered in Europe. The number of electrified passenger cars has risen in Spain by 53.8% in May. Pure electric passenger cars rose by 119.6%, reaching 4,409 registrations. However, the sum of these two technologies represented only 11.32% of passenger cars sold in Spain in May and 10.79% accumulated for the year. The market share of electric and plug-in hybrids in Europe is 21.6% on average in countries like Germany. For example, it is 31.4%, while our Portuguese neighbors are still above average, with 21.7%. The objective for Spain in 2023 is to reach 190,000 units of electrified vehicles. According to ANFAC, taking the latest data for May, 146,000 more registered units are needed by the end of the year, which means 21,000 registrations per month, and the current data is half of that target figure. We see how the increase in the sale of electrified vehicles is insufficient to meet the emission reduction targets to which Spain has committed for the fifth month this year. The necessary measures are once again pending to recover this delay with the call for general elections and avoid that, as ANFAC warned already in January 2023, is a lost year, says José López Tafal, ANFAC. We need to be more agile, and we hope that at least the call for projects for the battery line and those linked to electric vehicles with the leftover funds from PERTEVEC will be made before the general elections. If there is a climate urgency and mobility is key, the sector and citizens are going to need much more support from public administrations. The best-selling electric and plug-in hybrid cars in May. After the leadership of the MG4 last month, this time it was the Tesla cars that took the top positions ahead of the Chinese electric SUV. Although the Model 3 leads this month, in the accumulated of the year it is the Tesla Model Y that commands the ranking with a significant difference and obtaining 13.03% of the market share of electric vehicles in Spain. These are the 10 best-selling pure electric vehicles in May 2023. Tesla Model 3 to 577 units. Tesla Model Y, 536 units. MG4 to 439 units. Fiat 500 to 184 units. Volvo XC40 to 170 units. Renault Megane, 121 units. Opel Casa, 120 units. Cupra Born, 116 units. Kia Niro, 105 units. Volkswagen ID4 to 103 units. Among plug-in hybrids, the clear leader both for May and for the year to date is the Lincoln County 01, which commands the podium ahead of the Citroën C5 Aircross and the Peugeot 3008.